Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get your book, Math in Action 5A. Please get your book, Math in Action 5A, and please open your book on page 33. Please open your book on page 33. Okay, so our topic for today is about formulate a word problem from each number sentence and solve it. Okay, our topic for today is formulate a word problem from each number sentence and solve it. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's begin. Okay, example 8,400 minus 1,250 plus 2,700. Okay, word problem. Heidi has 8,400 baht. She buys a bicycle for 1,250 baht and some clothes for 2,700 baht. How much money has she left? Answer: Heidi has 4,450 baht left. Okay, so again, word problem. Heidi has 8,400 baht. She buys a bicycle for 1,250 baht and some clothes for 2,700 baht. How much money has she left? Answer: Heidi has 4,450. Okay, to get the answer, first we have to add the number inside the parentheses before we subtract this. Okay, we have to add these two number before we subtract it to the other number. Okay, so example here. Okay, example here. 8,400 minus 1,250 plus 2,700. Okay, so we have to add this number first here. Okay, we have to add this number first. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. And then 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So the answer is 3,950. Okay, now 3,950. Now we can subtract it here to this number. Okay, so 8,400 minus 3,950. So there. 3,950. Okay. Okay, now let's subtract them. Okay, 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 0 minus 5 cannot be. Let's borrow 1 from 4. Now 4 will become 3 and then 0 will become 10. Okay, now we can subtract them. Okay, 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And then 3 minus 9 cannot be again. Now let's borrow 1 again from 8. And then 8 will become 7, and then 3 will become 13. Now we can subtract. 13 minus 9 is equals to 4, and then 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Okay, so the answer is 4,450. Okay, so the answer is 4,450. Heidi has 4,450 baht left. Okay, now please answer your book here. 1, 2, 3 on page 33. Okay? Okay. Okay, write the answer here in the blanks, in here. Okay. Okay, so now please open your book on page 34. Now please open your book on page 34. Okay, so skill advancement activity. Find each number. Find each number. Okay, so example number 1, find each number. 740,189 plus 253,762. Okay, you know how to add, right? I teach you already how to add the numbers. Okay, so now I will not give you an example here in part 1. Okay, part 2, solve each problem. Okay, so 12 times 20 divided by 5 is equals to, okay, so here I will give you an example. Part 2, solve each problem. Okay, number 1. Example number 1, a fruit seller bought 12 baskets of red apples, each basket containing 20 kilograms. He put the apples into boxes of a 5 kilogram each. How many boxes did he need? Okay, so that's example number 1. Word problem number 1. So 12 times 20 divided by 5 is equals to what? Okay, so here I'll show you how to get the answer. Okay, so first we have to multiply this number before we divide it to 5. Okay, so 2 times 0 is equals to 0. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 1 times 0 is equals to 0. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. And then now we have to add them. Okay, now we had to add. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 2 bring down 2. Okay, so it's 240. 240. Now 240 divided by 5. Okay, okay, now let's divide. Okay, so now let's divide 240 divided by 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 24 is equals to 24 divided by 5 is equals to 4. 4 times 5 is equals to 20, and then 20 divided by, oh sorry, we have to subtract this first. Okay, so 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, and then bring down 0. Okay, so 40 divided by 5 is equals to 8, and then 8 times 5 is equals to 40. So the answer is 48. Okay, answer is 48. Okay, so here. Okay, here. So a fruit seller bought 12 baskets of red apples, each basket containing 20 kilograms. He put the apples into boxes of about 5 kilogram each. How many boxes did he need? Okay, so he need 48 boxes. Okay, he need 48 boxes. Okay, understand? Okay, now please answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, here is answer 5. And then number 3, okay, write the number in each box. Okay, so write the number in each box. Okay, I'll show you how to answer it. Okay, example number 1. Okay. Okay, so now please answer your book on page 35, part 3. Part 3, write the number in each squares. Okay, so 98,807 plus blank is equals to, okay, so to get the answer, first let's subtract the sum to the, okay, so to get the answer, let's subtract the sum. The sum is 139,683 to the addend. Okay, so the addend is 98,807. So let's subtract 139,683 minus 98,807. Okay, so 3 minus 7 cannot be. Let's borrow 1 from 8. Now 8 will become 7 and then 3 will become 13. Now we can subtract them. Okay, so let's subtract. 13 minus 7 is equals to 6, and then 7 minus 0 is equals to 7, and then 6 minus 8 cannot be. So let's borrow 1 again from 9. Okay, so 9 will become 8 and then 6 will become 16. Now we can subtract them. Okay, now let's subtract. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8, and then 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Then 3 minus 9 cannot be. Now let's borrow 1 again from 1, and then 1 will become 0, and then 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. The answer is 40,876. So the missing number here is 40,876. Okay, so that's the answer, 40,876. Now, to see if your answer is correct, now you can add this addend. Okay, add this and add these two number, and then you have to get this number. Okay, you have to get this sum. Okay, now please answer your book on page 35. Now please answer your book on page 35. Okay, number 2. Okay. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Or you can also ask Teacher Chloe. Okay. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thank you.